Okay, so if you're looking for the perfect vegetable stock for your favorite sauces and soup, we've got you covered. Hey guys, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we have something extra special for you, and it is this vegetable demi-glace recipe. Now, this sauce seriously goes well with any soup and any stew, even rice and beans that you are making. It is known as part of the mother sauces in French cuisine. So to begin, you will need eggplants, and it's best that you cut your eggplants into bite-sized pieces because this will help it cook faster. You also need carrots. Again, slice your carrots into bite-sized pieces as well. And we have the full recipe, guys, on our website at savorythoughts.com, where we're also showing you step-by-step photo guide on how to make this perfectly. We're also using celery. The celery will add in some earthy flavors, and it will also help tie all the other ingredients together. Next, we are using beets. Now, these beets were previously boiled for about 5 to 10 minutes. You do not have to do that. You can go ahead and roast them because that's exactly what we'll be doing next. Or you can go ahead and do the same thing we just did and boil it because it makes it easier to peel. We're also adding in green onions. As you can see, this is very hearty, but the flavor that it develops is out of this world crazy. We're also adding in mushrooms. And of course, we're adding in onions. We're using both yellow and red onions. Add it all to a bowl and wash your ingredients. Now, in a baking dish, go ahead and drizzle your olive oil. Add your ingredients. Drizzle a little bit more with olive oil and add garlic. Because right now what we're doing is building up the flavor, so as it bakes, all of the flavors in the juices marries together. Season with salt and pepper to taste. You know me, I love to stir, so give it a quick stir and add in the next layer and repeat the process. Once you're done adding in the ingredients and all of your ingredients are well combined, so go ahead and transfer it to a preheated oven and bake it for 1 hour and 30 minutes at 375 degrees. It's best that you stir or mix it every 30 minutes. This will allow all the ingredients to cook. Next, in the large saucepan, add in the roasted vegetables. After you've added your oil and it's heated through, add the roasted vegetables, including the liquid. Next, add in your vegetable stock, or you may also use water. Cover it halfway and cook on medium heat for 45 minutes. Again, be sure to continue to stir it so that way it doesn't stick to the bottom of the saucepan. Once you're done, we are using a sieve for this. Go ahead and transfer your ingredients and strain all the liquid out. For this, you can do one or two things. You can strain it and dispose the ingredients, or to have a thicker demi-glace, go ahead and strain the liquid out and put the ingredients aside in a blender. Go ahead and blend it to liquefy, or you may use an immersion blender and restrain again. Now this will allow your sauce to become rich and thick, and not only that, you are not losing all of these delicious flavors that we've added in. Once you're done straining, return the sauce to the saucepan. Next, prepare the slurry with a 1/4 cup of potato starch and a 1/4 cup of water. Mix well until the cornstarch has dissolved and pour it into the demi-glace. Allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. At this point, you may also want to check your seasoning, add a little bit more salt to taste if needed, and strain again. And that's it. So your demi-glace is ready for you to use. It can stay in the fridge for 2 weeks and up to 3 months in the deep freezer. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Can't wait to speak with you all again in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out. Cheers!